the fashion on this one. Wow. Oh my god. Oh. Yes. Let's buy stuff together. Because I got my salary. No, salary today. And I want to buy stuff for my appointment. So yeah. We are going to start at Ikea. Do we love it? Yes, we love it. Let's see. What do I need? I need a better working table. So let's find that first. Hold on. Oh, here we go. I got it. Let's see. I want not a round table because it's gonna go against a wall. I want to create this, take as little space as possible. Oh, that one is nice. Look, you can hide it, right? Can you? Oh, look at him. Look at him. Oh! Okay, I don't need that, it's too big. But it would be nice. I'm going for a rustic feel. Something like this. Okay, I'm in my Pinterest now. And I'm going in kitchen. No, it's not kitchen. Hold on, it's not kitchen. I think it's storage. Yeah. So something like this. Feels nice. Like pretty raw materials. That's what I'm going for. I really like this one. It's really nice. So something in that style, or like something like this. But a table. So let's find that. Oh, something like this. Something like this. Oh, it's really nice. Except not a lounge table. Is that what you call it? We call it couch table. This one's nice. This one is hella nice. What? Nice. Out of stock. But I can order it. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. Oh, look. Oh my god. Oh, it has wheels. Yeah. Put it in my basket. What? No! What? Excuse me, we have a temporary problem. Fluff you and your temporary problem. Oh no. Oh well, let's keep that open. Yes. We got me a table. Now we need some more office-like stuff. Can I get like inspiration? Can I just see? Okay, we're inspiration. I wanna have like, oh, they have workplace inspiration. Yes. let's go for kitchen. Because I'm in the kitchen now and I feel that it's quite empty. So let's go in the kitchen. Ooh. Let's go here. That's just my style. I'm actually going to buy another paint color for my cabinets. That's that. Okay, let me look around some more and get back to you when I find something. Yes? Yes. Show me more, please. Oh wow. No way. Oh yeah. 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 Oh no. Oh god. Hold on. Let's do... I got you saved. That one is actually really nice. Hello, can you... They even had with a little thing. I don't think I need that though. Wow. Okay, hold your horses. I know you don't need that much. Okay, I like that one as well. So we have this one for my working area. Then we have this one for the kitchen. I like that I had a little... This is how we do it. As well as till this shelf thingy. It's really high. I am going to get this one for my spices. Yes! I can't spell. Oh, like, no, I don't want notifications. Oh, like this. Oh, am I a member? Because if I am, I get 50% off. Okay, let's see. Work from home. Shop now. Thank you. Here we go. Oh, no, I need my... But it's small, but that could be nice. Oh, do I hate that? I have the boss lady one. Okay. Do I need a pair of golden scissors? Probably not. But I like this. Like a lot. So, hold on. Yeah, put that. Thank you. I'm just buying away. A lot of stuff. Okay, I think that's that. Oh, I don't know how big a normal paper is. Oh, I need my measuring thing. I'm gonna get my measuring thing. Hold on. I got it. Okay, hold on. It's 33. I need a paper. I want paper. 33.23. Oh, I need that one. Yes. I'm gonna put on my paper now. What? No! And then the big one is out of stock. I hate shopping. That one. Oh, now I can see. It's 46. Oh yeah, it's nice. It's this big. At the bottom and this high. So it's... Oh yeah, I have feet here. So it's 2 feet in height and... How the fuck should I know? And 16 inches. my god. I'm just going to check out. And I got stuff for free. Now I got like 10% off your first buy. Because I'm a new customer. Okay, let's see if I can put stuff in. What? Okay, I can still not put in my stuff in my basket at Ikea, so I am going to do that later. So that I know that I have that shipped as well, because I'm gonna need that to be shipped all the way home to me. Haul time. I got my package from Lagerhaus today, and I'm gonna open it so you can see. Okay, hold on. Here we go. Package. Didn't bring any scissors with me. This is gonna be a problem. Okay, this is gonna be a problem. Paper, buy paper. First thing I got. Oh, wow, oh wow. It's this thingy. Oh, okay. And then I got this, so it's going to hang. How is it going to hang? Like this, I think. Right above my ear. Oh. The fashion on this one. Wow. Oh my god. Oh. Ooh, look what they got. It's for books and papers and stuff. Look, look, look. Yes, I got that. And then the last thing I got is a phone holder. Or laptop. iPad, laptop, book, iPhone. So, see? Oh no, my phone is too small. I got all my stuff! It was a lot. And I was really scared. I got really scared. I don't know why I got scared, but you know, not social interactions aren't scary. That's not the point. The point is, I don't know, I don't have a point. I just get nervous. Yeah, okay. Unpacking. It's gonna be a lot. Just realized. Oh yeah, that's a horrible angle. Well, I'm gonna put them. It will be great, okay? Just so much garbage everywhere. So now it's time to construct everything. I need to change because it's really hot. Let's do that. Okay, time to assemble one thing at a time. So let's start with the first package I have right here. Apparently you have to be 2 people. Because I can't do this alone. So therefore this is my other person. He's balancing it. He's balancing everything so that I can fix this. Ugh. It's done. It's probably one of the hardest things I have to construct from Ikea. It's ridiculous. Plus, maybe because it's in like metal-ish, so it's really heavy as well. Well, I'm done with that, so I'm gonna set that aside and begin with the next one. Here we go. Let's go for the table that I bought. Let's get you down so you can see when I'm struggling. Now it's all done. Let's go for a smaller project. Yeah. Okay, I'm done now. Way. But I did it. Here we go. This one is going in my kitchen and I had to do this. It's for my spices. It twists, you can see it. Then we have a table and room for my computer. As this beauty. It's going to hold all of my cleaning and birthday things and everything in here. Come back. Oh, I feel like my haircut. Come back next week to see me put all of this stuff in its place. Just look out for that. Yes. See ya.